I had not planned on recording a tutorial today, but I wanted to share with you something exciting that I just figured out. If you are a Thrivecart Learn user, you know that when you go to copy and paste content from one document or file into your Thrivecart Learn platform, all of your text formatting goes out the window. Everything is just smushed into one long paragraph with no different fonts, no bolds or headlines or headings, anything like that. And it can be super frustrating. It takes a long time to reformat all of that copy and text into something that's more readable and user-friendly. But I've found a way to do it much faster and much easier. Let me show you how. All right, now we're in Thrivecart Learn. On the left side of my screen and on the right side of my screen is a Google document. This is just an example of some text. I wanted to show you how this would all work. So here's what you need. You need your text that's formatted how you liked it. This can be in a Google Doc or even created with an AI tool. The AI tool of your choice. I prefer Claude AI for this task. The formatting instructions that are linked below this video. This is an example of formatted text that's easy to read and consume. I'm using bullets, bolds, italics, and numbered lists, as well as different headings. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this. And I'm going to show you when I add a text element in Thrivecart Learn and paste that directly from my Google Doc. All of the formatting disappears. My numbers disappear. My bolds disappear. My italics disappear. It's hard to read and it's all jumbled. Very frustrating. So instead, what we're going to do is head to an AI tool. First, you'll find the instructions for formatting the text as HTML for Thrivecart linked below. This document is what you'll get. From there, you can either copy this content or upload this file directly to whatever AI tool you're using. We're just going to go ahead and copy it. All right, so now we're going to pop into Claude and we're going to give it a prompt. The prompt is, I'm sharing formatting instructions for the content I'd like to paste into Thrivecart Learn. Please use these instructions to format the content I share in this thread into HTML. Show me the code as well as the preview. And then I'm going to do a copy paste from this document that is, again, linked in the description of this video. And then I can pop into my example text and paste that. Now, for some reason, this particular example, my headings didn't seem to stick. So let's go ahead and send that through. So it looks like in this version, it did not make this line a heading, and it looks like the last bullet kind of fell off. So I would say the line, here is what you need, should be an H2, and the last bullet on I'm using italics fell off. And it would go ahead and update that content for me. And it's gone ahead and made some changes. I like the way that looks. Now, again, if I copy pasted that exact text from here into that text box over on Thrivecart, it's going to be that jumbled mess again. Instead, we're going to go up here and use this code. We're going to click copy there and we can pop that in. And there you can see it has maintained the formatting. Now you can also do this with the HTML block instead of the basic text block here. But let me show you what happens when I do that. So if I go HTML and then I enter my HTML code over here, when I do that, I don't see the text in a preview and I can't edit that text directly in the editor. In this instance where I've added the HTML into a text box, I can edit it. So if I wanted another space here, I could add that. I could change the text here to be bold. I could change the font color to be red or whatever it needed to be. I could add another bullet in here, and it's going to keep that italic, but I can go in and fix that, and it is all updated. So that is how you can quickly and easily copy and paste content and maintain the formatting from whatever document or platform you're using into your Thrivecart Learn platform. Hope that's helpful.